Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Dream League Soccer Unlimited Money. As you can see, I just downloaded mine. It's totally unlimited funds. So I'm going to show you how to get unlimited version of this. So you first go to your settings. When you go to your settings, now go to where it says search for background. Just search for background. Make sure it's on this. Make sure it's turned on this. Please make sure. And the next thing you have to do is go to your battery setting. Make sure your battery setting is not on power saving mode. Make sure it's off. And you go back, go to App Store. Now your App Store automatic download should be on. This should be on. Now you simply go to your browser. Now the next thing is to go to your browser. Search for gemtrack.com. Search for gemtrack.com. Now the browser is going to open like this. You wait for a second, so some seconds for it to load. Now you just have to wait my network in this way. Now all you need to do is when you come here, you get to see that there is a lot of mode applications and applications to download free. All you just have to do is search for what you're looking for, which is DLS. Here it is, DLS 2022. DLS 2022. And just start the download. Once your download begins, you'll be taken to a page where you need to verify that you're a human. The verification is something very simple to do. All you just have to do is you just have to verify your human, as you can see. So all you do is you click here, click on the first app. You'll be directed to your Play Store. Now you download this app. Go back to the browser, click on this. Yes, install this. Go back to your browser, click on the second one. Download. Now it's downloading. I think I cancelled the first one. I might do it again. And the first one too is downloading. Now, okay, install. So the first one too is downloading. Now as you can see from the instruction here, it's saying that you need to run this app for 30 seconds, and then the first one you need to install, open, and connect to a VPN to unlock the content. So I'll do this and I'll skip this process. As you can see, I'm already downloading them. So I'm going to skip this process. So guys, I just finished the process. As you can see, I've already downloaded one of the app. I've deleted the other one because you don't need it as far as you've done what the instruction. So all you have to do is now open your Dream League Soccer. As you can see, it's loading. So here is where you see where your money will load. Continue. So guys, as you can see, it's already loading. You have to start the game before you get this. It's already loading. So